how can I enhance my improvisation? Maraming katanong na ito, kung paano mag-adlib improvisation skills and develop my own unique voice on the saxophone. Siguro yung sa improvisation muna, sir.
Ano it's yung improvisation
from scratch.
From scratch. When I go I'm improvising. Diba?
Yes.
So anything goes. If you can teach yourself
on the spot.
to just do what you want, that's improvising. Now developing yung skill. Once we say developing your skill, it means you're after a certain sound.
Hello again guys, if you're enjoying this content and you want to watch me live, you want to watch us live, meron po akong concert sa June 10 sa Music Museum. Ito po yung aming poster and sa tickets po, ito po yung pwede nyo i-click. And if you want to meet Sir Tots Tolentino and makapag one-on-one lesson kayo sa kanya, ito yung kanyang details. Dito lang siya sa amin, kapitbahay ko lang si Sir Tots eh.
Diba? Tama yun. So, what I would suggest is to start developing a library of your favorite players, whatever, performers, and listen intently. Ibig sabihin, surround yourself with that sound. Tapos and copy. Imitate.
Copy, yes.
Imitate.
You don't,
yung iba, they call it transcribing. Pero I know a lot of great musicians who haven't transcribed a whole solo yung buong buhay nila. Just little snippets, just trying to get yung sound. Diba? Ito na yun, everything again starts in the mind. Once you internalize all that, it just translates.
Yeah.
So you want to improve your skills, listen a lot and find out anong ginagawa nitong tao to. Can I actually I like this or copy it, diba? Internalize yung sound na yun, how he moves around, and then developing your own sound, yun ang resulta ng lahat ng pinapakinggan mo. Lalabas yun.
Yes.
Natural yun because hindi tayo mga clone. Diba? We can listen to the same people. I think, minsan, we listen to the same people, pero magkaiba kami ng tunog.
So, imitation, sir, tama yun, no? Kailangan, gayahin, parang bata tayo, no? Nagkokopya-kopya lang tayo sa magulang natin hanggang sa natutunan tayong magsalita. And then, nakakapag-express na rin tayo ng mga own, expression natin. So, okay lang talaga manggaya. And then, from there, makaka-develop ka ng mga, yung sarili mong boses na. So, paano naman, sir, yung mga, pagdating sa mga technical stuff, mga basic stuff? Sa improvisation.
I would suggest also lahat ng sax players, even lahat ng monophonic, just isang tonal, to learn basic keyboard or kahit basic guitar or something, just something that can give you yung sound ng chords.
Yes.
Because may bawat chord niyan may sound eh. May sound that, lalo na if it's yung tinatawag nilang harmony na yun, it's a prime mover in all music. Pag if hindi mo tinamaan harmony, it makes it less of an effective performance, diba? So, it will always be good to learn basic. Basic. You don't have to read notes, a concert pianist, a concert guitarist. Hindi kailangan gano'n.
Pero sir,
you know what A minor is, and all that stuff.
Anong advice nyo sa mga saxophone student na ayaw magbasa ng note? Kumbaga gusto nila nakaasa lang sa letters, kumbaga ano bang mga magandang sa kanila, ma-motivate sila na
as far as kunyari yung music is concerned, I don't think that's much of a problem. Unless the guy wants to get into, sabihin natin, commercial music where you have to read notes, kailangan ilalatagan ka gano'n. It's a must na kailangan magbasa ka. Yung masasabi ko lang, if you know how to play by ear, and if you can read notes, mas madaming pinto ang bubukas.
Yes, mas opportunity, and pwede nyo pa maging, maging kabuhayan, no?
Yeah.
Maging kabuhayan showcase. And I think mas mag-enjoy din kayo, no? Like, for example, music ng technology ngayon, makabasa ka lang sa YouTube ng may susundan ka ng mga notes, tapos masasabayan mo. Diba?
Oo. It's what you call sa ibang trade natin, it's a skill. Diba? Yes. Once you have, the more skills you have, the better prepared ka for any kind of situation.
And mas may enjoy mo yung sax,
Saka yung mga notes din naman, mathematics lang yan eh. Pag natuto ka na, it's just like reading, just like reading ABC.
Yes, ABC.
Diba? After a while, it gets easier. Diba? Kaya don't be intimidated. So it's a good skill to learn.